Getting started with Twine is super easy. You just have to go to our connectors page and connect Twine to the tools it needs to do its analysis. Most people start with their call recording software, so Gong, Fathom, Grain, Chorus, whatever it is, just connect Twine and add your API keys. It will do a backfill of data, and then for any calls moving forward, it'll automatically analyze them. If you don't have a call recorder, you can always use our own. And to do that, you just need to sync your calendar, whether it's Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. If you connect to your CRM, Twine supports 20 CRMs, so HubSpot, Salesforce, whatever it is that you use, you just connect this and you can do some custom mapping to make sure that all the fields or properties you have on your deals or customer objects can map directly into Twine for all the analysis that can be done. Finally, destinations, where you want Twine outputs to go. Today we support Slack, but we're currently working on others such as Teams, Product Board, Jira, etc. Once you connect your data, Twine will start generating intel, those little learnings that are sprinkled throughout all of your calls. Each intel has a certain type: product feedback, service feedback, competitor comparisons, and customer love. Service feedback is everything other than the product, so pricing and packaging, documentation, levels of support, etc. For both product and service feedback, Twine will denote whether it's critical or non-critical. This is looking at the sentiment of the conversation to understand if this is actually a revenue impacting event. Is the customer insinuating that if this is not resolved or fixed, that they will churn, they will not expand, or they won't sign on if it's new business? You can see a list of all of the intel here, as well as calls and customers. For each intel, you'll be able to see a name of the type of feedback, a brief summary of what the customer said, the clip or clips of what the customer actually said on the call that you can watch.
Again, I didn't like that I couldn't have control over just like
This removes that level of translation across the org, so as a product team especially, you can understand exactly what the customer said. If you want more context on the call itself, you can always dive in. So for any call, there could be from 1 or 2 up to maybe 20 moments of intel that are generated in Twine. And this is where you can see all that. But more importantly, the agents are where you can actually make sense of this data and have Twine go to work for you and actually send you the things that just matter to you, which we'll show you in another video.